As a product manager, one of the most frustrating parts of my week is when I suddenly need a quick marketing banner, but my design team is already buried in huge sprint work. Or sometimes I'm working on a side project where I'm the only design team. Does it sound familiar? Well, today I want to show you exactly how I solve this problem without using Figma, without hiring a freelancer, or even without waiting for anybody. I use something called Canva GPT and Canva App, which stays right inside the Chat GPT. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use these two features step by step, from generating your design to editing it directly in Canva. All right, now let's see this in action. On the left sidebar inside ChatGPT, you'll notice something called GPTs. Now, here, click Explore GPTs. It will take you to a treasury of so many different GPTs. You want to create images, write contents, you name it, you'll find it here. However, I'm going to show you how to use Canva. So click Canvas GPT. So once I'm done choosing, yeah, let's click Start Chat. Now, just like how we create an image in ChatGPT, all I'm going to do is give it an elaborate prompt. Let's assume I want to create a banner for a new bakery named Jerry's Cakes for a baking event. Creating bright and eye-catching marketing banners for Jerry's Cakes, yada yada yada. Well, while you're doing so, don't forget to add your negative prompt so that you won't have any crazy surprises. Well, now submit. Let's give it a little time. Now, while the banner is getting generated, let me quickly explain what's happening under the hood. Because honestly, I had the same question when I first saw this too. So when you use Canva inside ChatGPT, you're not just using some simple plugin. What's actually powering this is something called MCP, which stands for Model Context Protocol. Now, don't worry, I'm not going to get so deep into the technical side of MCPs, but here's the easiest way to think about it. It acts like a live bridge between ChatGPT and your Canva account. It's basically a two-way connection where ChatGPT can easily communicate with Canva, that too in real time, which means it can help you create, edit, as well as modify design directly into Canva. And the best part here is that this feature is available for free across all subscription tiers. How awesome is that? And just as we are speaking, wow, here it is. Well, that's a decent one. Pretty informative. It has captured all the details given neatly. Now, oh, create memories together. Nice. Oh, hey, what about if I want to change the size, say, set it to an aspect ratio of 9 is to 16. Okay, let's see how it's coming. Well, it says create image. Oh, good. Ah, finally. Well, it looks good. It has captured the given information and it's also got a QR code. Well, if you're good with using the Creatives as it is, you can simply download it and use it as it is. But if you want to make any real-time edits like changing fonts or any individual design elements, you might want to insert it into Canva. For that, you might need to use Canva app. Let me show you how we can do that. Now, come again to the sidebar and click more. You'd see apps. Now select that. You'll see a lot of apps connected to ChatGPT here. Okay, so let's get back to the feature tab and select Canva. You need to connect ChatGPT to Canva. Click connect and it will ask you to sign in. You must have a Canva subscription for this. Even a free one would do, as I already mentioned. Okay, hello here. Successful. Okay, so now we are connected. Well, let's use the same prompt. I'm just going to paste it here and now the wait. Um, Here it is asking me to allow it to connect with Canva and generate the poster. Well, that's exactly what I want. So, yes, click that generate design. Okay, and here it starts again. Every time it gives us four different options, and we can choose any one of those. Okay, and yeah, good. Now, which one should I choose? These ones are so minimal, unlike what we got from the GPT. Well, let's see each one of these. Let me go to the first one. Well, it's good. It's decent. Uh, this one is nice, but I feel I would have to do more work, so I'm dropping it. And no, this one is certainly no. Nope. Oh, this one is also out. Okay, so the first one it is. Now let me select it and open it in Canva. And well, here we are. It is ready to edit and within Canva. Here, if you see, everything is clickable, and you can increase or decrease the text sizes. You can reposition the images wherever you want. Just simply drag and drop whichever location you want. You can place it. Or you can also change your alignments of the text. You can make edits just like the way you edit any creatives within Canva. And once you're happy with the design, just click share and yes, you can simply download it. And here I have my image. Well, that's how you use Canva inside ChatGPT. Please hit a like if you found the video useful and subscribe for more such videos. Let me know in the comments what are you going to create next. And yes, meet you in the next video. Bye bye.